and today we're going to be opening up toys like we always do. So, Sophia, what are you going to be opening up today?
A makeup set.
It's a little Verity corner. You get like, if you get all, so here's the front, you can get all of this stuff. And if you get all of this, if Sophia gets all of that stuff, I'm jealous.
It's actually real.
Yeah, but I want to tell you something. You're opening up something really small. I have something really big. It is Infinity NADO or something, thing. So, and this thing is so big. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this. It's like Bey-Blade Burst exactly, but this is like has so many metal parts. Let me tell you why. Look at this. Look at the back, how many metal parts it needs. So it's a lot, and I'm pretty excited. So let's start.
Okay, so I'm so excited to open
The rippers look really cool. I don't want to ruin this surprise.
I never saw this before. So I got it open. So I got my set. Oh my god, this is so hard.
Sophia, can I have your little help? Wait, Sophia.
I'm gonna get it out. Magical hands. I can't do this.
Sophia, can you push the box your side and I'll push it this way? Sophia, stop. You're doing it way too close. Wait. 3, 2. No, you push. Yeah, thank you. Get this thing out of my way. The Bey-Blades are out of here. What the? These things are so cool. Sophia, look. They feel really heavy. These are so different tips.
No, these aren't real.
These are so cool. What is these? These look so cool. I got the rippers.
Now I'm going to set it up and I'm going to show you how it looks.
This stadium is huge. You might need to move all of your stuff. Wait, there's a ripper. I have the instructions for putting the Bey-Blades back, so I'm going to need that. So put this on the side. This thing is gigantic. This thing is gigantic. No kidding. Look at the stage. What is this? This is so cool.
Oh, are those open magical hands?
So I put that in. So this goes in. This goes in that way. I'm going to be trying to put this in here, but how? So it goes inside.
Okay, so this is hard.
What is this? This is so cool.
You just actually hit me.
What?
You
These
hit
are
me.
sorry, but these rippers, these Bey-Blades are so realistic. They're like so cool.
Brush my hair.
Sophia, can you play one round with Bey-Blades with me?
First, I need to brush my hair.
Yeah, I'm gonna be using my blue one because I love blue. Blue is my favorite color. Sophia's gonna be using red because I know she kind of likes red. Okay, so
I do not love red.
you do not love red. Take it. You don't do that, Sophia. You see here? Put it in, like here, like this. And then Sophia, you twist it on here. So you guys follow my steps. You twist. Here you go. 3, 2, 1, let it hit. Pure metal. Look at this. This thing is so balanced. Oh wow, it hurts. Sophia doesn't want to play. One round, it will work. Next round.
No, it won't. Let me see.
Well, Sophia doesn't like to play Beyblade, but I guess I do. Let it in. Oh!
you the background.
Do you guys hear that sound? This sound is so cool.
Okay, this is how it looks like. Go red team! Go red!
Oh, it's so cool. What if yours burst? I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die with laughter. Mine is a defense. I have literally the advantage against
Go, go get him!
you. Can't even beat me. You don't even have the advantage against me. Ah! Headshots! Yeah, you don't even have the advantage.
Go, go, go!
You don't have the advantage against me. Oh, the winner! We got a winner! Now do you want to play?
Nope.
What? What?
I'm gonna do, okay, fine, I'll try.
Let me just put it for
I
you.
wanna be blue team.
No.
Can I do a practice round?
No, I'm coming.
No, I
No,
wanna
you
a
don't do a practice round. Please, please, please. Wait for me.
Then I'm not playing.
No, I'm almost done. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let it rip.
Go, go, go that way!
You're hitting the walls like crazy.
Stop hitting the wall.
Now we're gonna get to attacks. Just wait.
Go, 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 beat him!
Oh, that was good. Did you hear that, everyone?
Yours is gonna burst anytime now.
Anytime. I win! Yo, did you see that strong attack? Look at that. That went
And
end the video.
also, if you like the video,
Wait.
if this get a 1 to 5, so what do you think?
I think this is a 5.
And I think it's a 5. So if
If you like this video, smash that like button, hit that bell notification so you never ever miss a video, and hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you later. So goodbye. That was so cool.